Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace Tesla Model 3 windshield, updated. Begin by parking on a flat surface and engaging the parking brake, then disconnect the 12V battery to avoid electrical issues. Remove interior trim panels carefully to access the windshield perimeter and label any connectors. Keep the work area clean and organized and use protective gear for glass handling. Double-check sensor alignment tools and have adhesive materials ready for installation. Start by warming the windshield perimeter evenly with a heat gun to soften the urethane, taking care not to overheat nearby sensors. Use a certified windshield removal tool and make a steady continuous pass around the glass to separate adhesive cleanly. With a second person, lift the windshield straight out to avoid torsion and chipping. Clean the pinch weld thoroughly and inspect for rust or damage before preparing to install the new glass. If this walkthrough is helping, please subscribe and like to support more videos. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum cleans up metal shavings, glass dust, and workshop crumbs with voice control and smart mapping, making post-repair cleanup effortless. It even navigates around tools and returns to base automatically, which saves time after a windshield swap. Check the description for the link and other deals, and then now let's get back to the video. Prepare the pinch weld by cleaning and applying primer where paint is exposed, allowing proper flash time per adhesive instructions. Lay a consistent urethane bead using a calibrated gun and have a helper lift and align the new windshield with camera and sensor mounts. Press in place evenly and check for uniform contact around the seal, then reinstall interior trim and reconnect the 12V battery. Wait the recommended cure time before driving and perform camera recalibration if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.